In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable Amazon Kindle app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to put an end to this, then it's quite simple. Just follow these steps. Now, to achieve this, you need to go to Kindle app info page, and you can do so through settings. If you go to settings, scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for your app by name. So I'll search for Kindle, and here it is. Now, if you tap on it, look for permission section, and here it is. And under it, go to notifications. If you tap on it, you can see all these notifications are turned on, and there are 6 of them. So to turn them off instead of toggling off one by one here, the best thing to do is just to toggle off show notifications. Toggle it off, and this will disable all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive notifications or alerts from Kindle app unless you turn these show notifications on again. So that's how you can permanently disable Kindle app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.